Hello there and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to try and install RetroPie on this touchscreen here. This is the official Raspberry Pi touchscreen, by the way. And I'm going to swap out the currently installed Raspberry Pi 2 here. If my camera can focus, thanks. With this Raspberry 3 here. And yeah, first thing I have to do is to remove the Raspberry from the back here. And after that, remove the protective case here from the Raspberry 3, because else it wouldn't fit, because there are indeed, if I can find it, there we go. Gosh, it's really weird, my new setup is really weird. Can you focus please? Thanks. There is a mounting hole here, and the other mounting holes are also drilled through the case, but I don't have such long screws, and yeah, so I'm just going to remove it, and it's easy to put on again, so there's nothing there's nothing bad about this. So yeah, I'm going to use a little bit of soft underground here, because else I'd scratch the touchscreen. And let me zoom in a little bit here. There we go. There we go. So also I'm sorry for the, you know what, I'm going to turn off autofocus here, as I'm going to find the switch here. Where it is. I think it's that one. No, it wasn't. That was the wrong fit. Wrong switch. I think it's this one here. There we go. So, because else it would wobble around a little bit here. So, first thing I have to do is to remove the screws here. And I already made a recording, and yeah, I got interrupted a little bit here. And now, of course, the autofocus is not working. So yeah, I got interrupted, and I figured out that this screw here is a little bit, is not going to let go here. So the next screw is here, and the last screw is here. And I just figured out, before I remove the screws here, I should have disconnected everything, but it should work here still. There we go, let go. There we go, cable number 1 is gone. And I have to remember the colors here: black, red, yellow, green. I hope they stay together. There we go. So here's the screw I was talking about earlier. Oh, autofocus. Of course it's not focusing because I can't find. Yeah, forget it. The camera is not in front of me, and it's a little bit weird, so yeah. Come on, let go. The screw is... Oh my god, the screw is really tight in there. Oh my god. There we go. Wow. How the hell did I get this in here? There we go, finally. So that screw is back in place here. Okay, so that's the old Raspberry 2. Gosh, you know what, let me focus here new. There we go. So here's the old Raspberry 2. And now I'm going to remove the case here, which is really simple. Gosh, the camera setup is really weird, because the camera is like over here, and I'm sitting over here somewhere, and I have to like think a little bit different to get everything centered in the camera. So this should be easy, because it's just hand tightened down here. And those are just plastic screws. Oh god, they're really tight here. Okay, there we go. Third one. the last one. Yeah, the autofocus on this camera is honestly shit. But I have a second camera which also produces decent video, but I'm not able to use my camera light and the microphone I'm using here right now. So yeah. Okay, that's the case off. There we go. I should actually keep everything together here a little bit, because it's not hard to build it, but it's a little bit confusing if you forget how it was built up before. So was this actually underneath? Yeah, that was underneath. No, it wasn't underneath. What? Was it like... Oh yeah, that was just fit in here. And then it goes like this. Yep. So I'm just going to put it together here again. Just so I don't forget how it was built up. Just 2 screws here and... Come on. There we go. So, yeah. So, that's the Raspberry 3 here, and let's put it on here. Of course, with my second Raspberry just got caught in the fabric here. I think I forgot the colors. Oh god. So, let's screw it in here first. Seriously, this one screw here does not fit anywhere. No, it does. Kind of weird. You really have to pay attention how the screw goes in, because if you slightly tilt it a little bit, it won't fit in anymore. Besides, this screw looks like it wouldn't fit anyways. Like, does it fit in here? There it goes. Okay, the last screw here. There we go. Yeah, it's a little bit fiddly. Anyways, the next thing is to find out what the pinout on here is. So, you know what, I'm just going to pause the video here for a short moment, of course not for you, and I'll just look back in my footage to see where everything goes. Okay, I'm back, and as you see, I've connected the cables here again, and yeah, even though I said like I have to remember them, I forgot them. Anyway, so yeah, there's a microSD in here, so I'm not sure what's on it. I think it's just Raspbian and nothing else. So let me connect the cable here again. It's really weird putting this cable here in from this angle. So let me just... Okay, that's... Oh my god. Stop falling back. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Okay, so everything's set, I think, and yeah, let's try and power this display on here. I mean, everything will be flipped 180 degrees if it's really Raspbian. I'm not sure if it's Raspbian or not. So let me plug in power here. That's the official Raspberry power supply, by the way. So I hope nothing explodes. Nope. There we go. So far it's looking... Oh, I was about to say it's looking bad. Yeah, I was thinking that I have a multi-boot on here, so I have a few... Oh, there's already RetroPie on it. But because I'm on this video here, I'm just going to erase the SD card here. And why the hell is my autofocus not working really well? autofocus. Hello, there we go. So the SD card is back in. Oh, and I have to. Gosh, the autofocus is annoying. Slow and annoying, and loud. So you have to disconnect the cable here again to get access to the. Oh God. To the micro SD here. If it can't focus. Look how slow this autofocus is. Oh my God. You know what? Let's try this again. Autofocus. Nope. Okay. You know what? The setup from I'm not using this setup again. It's annoying. Voice crack. Anyway, so the next thing I have to do is to flash RetroPie here, and let's make a little inception here. Come on. There we go. Yeah, that's the inception I was talking about. And I have to put the micro SD, the SD card in here. And of course it's reporting that there's an error, which is true because it can't read it. And I'm just going to use Rufus. It's a really nice flashing tool, and it has never failed me so far. And another thing I have to do is to download RetroPie, which I have to move everything a little bit out here because I need my keyboard. There we go. Am I actually still in focus? Yes. Because I don't see the camera screen right now, so yeah. So RetroPie. Is it the official one? Yes, it is. Let me just check how long I'm recording already. Okay, 5 minutes left, that's enough. Because the camera just cuts off at 10 minutes. Raspberry Pi 2 and 3, and that's the image, yes. So, 4 minutes. Do I have to do something else now? I don't think so. So yeah, I'll just wait a little bit. So I'm back and RetroPie is finally downloaded. And let's go in here and unpack it. 7-zip. Let's just open it. Here it is, an image. So I actually see RetroPie 4.0. I've never seen 4.0 before. Because I'm not sure if I saw it in the video before, but I had 3.6 installed on my multi-boot setup. So yeah, let's see what has changed in 4.0. If it's going to work, of course, because I'm not sure if the official Raspberry screen works with RetroPie. Okay, here we go, there's the image. And it's 2 gigabytes, holy shit. That's a lot. So let's write the image on here. Downloads, RetroPie image, and start. Yes, I want to delete everything. Yes, every partition should be gone. So this is going to take about 4 to 5 minutes again, so I'll be back when it's finished. Okay, here we go, and it's finished. So let me take out the SD card again here and put it back into the Pi. So I just saw the battery of my camera light is dying. So let's see if I can. No, it's completely dead. So yeah, I don't have new batteries, so I'm sorry if the scenes are a little bit dark now, but yeah, I don't have new batteries. Anyway, so let's zoom in a little bit here again. Move the keyboard out of the way, and I think I had it like this. Yep. Yeah, it's really dark now. Can I still turn it on? Actually makes a little bit of a difference now. But the battery is completely dead, so it should be gone in like 4 minutes or something, not sure. Anyways, SD card. There we go. And I just forgot I don't have a keyboard to... Oh, I actually have, because I can use this keyboard here. Is it fully in? I think yes. Yes, it is. So let's put it on again. First, wiping off my fingerprints a little bit. Yeah, I've completely covered the screen in fingerprints now. Let me just wipe it off here. Oh god, Windows 10. Microsoft will fucking hate you sometimes. Windows 10 just told me that it switched... Oh my god. That it switched Skype over again to this fucking shitty Metro Skype thing, which I totally don't like. Can I somehow log out here? I know you can't see it, but yeah. Sign off. Thanks. Fuck off, Skype, Metro. Anyways, back to the screen here, because that's the main focus today. Let's power it on. If we can get the plug right. There we go. And of course it's flipped over now, so I should flip it like this. And it's too... I can turn off the camera light now. It was too bright, so yeah. RetroPie, there we go. No, I don't have any controllers connected yet. So I'm not sure if this is going to work or not. Well, let me just grab my keyboard from back here. If I can find it, there we go. What's it saying? Is this an error message or is this normal? Oh, it's normal, okay. I was worried for a second. Emulation station, there we go. I am going to plug in a USB keyboard now. To see if that's going to work. Of course, the thing is, should I use, no, you know what, I'm just going to grab my gamepad here. If the cable of the microphone is long enough, yes it is. And there we go. I'm just going to use that one. It's just, there we go. Focus, thanks. It's just the Logitech, or Logitech, how do you pronounce it? Logitech or Logitech? I'm not sure. Anyways, I'm just going to plug this in here now. And let's get rid of the keyboard again. Let's plug it in. There we go. Can I zoom in a little bit more? No, I can't. So, what's it saying? No gamepads detected. Hold A button to configure it. There we go. Up, down, left, right. Is it actually? Yeah, it's in D-pad mode, which is kind of bad, I think. Start, select A, B, X, epsilon. Left shoulder, okay. Right shoulder, left trigger, right trigger. Left from right from left and look up, down, left, right, up, down, left, right. No, okay, that works great so far. Okay, now you can't see anything because it's too bright. Let me try to fix that here. Can I turn down? No, I can't. Okay. I can't do anything here. So, yeah. 13 games available. Did it just... Okay, cancel, cancel. Hello, cancel. There we go. So we have... Yeah, back. I want to go back. Thanks. So yeah, of course there are no games on here right now, so I'll have to put on some, and I'll be back in a few seconds. So I forgot one thing actually, and that's to connect to the Wi-Fi, and I'm going to try and do it with the controller here. Yeah. So we have an option called connect to Wi-Fi, and you know it's weird? You actually have to press X when you're in Linux menu like this, and to go further. So this is the closest one, and I hope that was right. Connecting. Am I connected now? Yes, I'm connected. 194. So I have to put on some ROMs here. And let's go to the address here. Oh, of course the keyboard is not working. Did I just get an error message because I... Oh, okay. I have to enable it. So we'll find RetroPie, there we go, ROMs. Of course you can't see it because I'm not going to show you where I get my ROMs. So one thing I want to try is the N64 Emulation. So let's download some. And I'll be back once I've finished downloading and uploading to the Raspberry here. So I've uploaded some ROMs here on the RetroPie setup, and I'm not going to try a lot because I'm running out of time for the day. And so yeah, let's try it again. Of course I have to kind of somehow other settings. I need to let the thing rescan here. Restart emulation station. Really restart? Yes. So there we go. Nintendo 64 and Super Nintendo. Now I've only put on a few games, and I've also connected a little speaker here now. So let's turn it on. Let's see if it works. Super Nintendo. Let's try Donkey Kong Country. Of course it's going to be pretty straightforward now. And the sound is really... Can I quit out of it somehow? There we go. Oh, okay, select start as quitting out. RetroPie and audio. You know what? I can actually try, because this thing has Bluetooth. Let's actually try to sync it up via Bluetooth, and it's going to be loud as hell. Yeah. So Bluetooth. I hope that RetroPie actually supports Bluetooth speakers. Register and connect the Bluetooth device. It should detect this speaker here now. I think that's the speaker. Choose the security mode. Try the first one, then second if that fails. Let's try it. No such file or directory. Okay, I think I crashed it. Did I crash it? Yeah, I think it's dead. So let's screw the idea with trying to get Bluetooth audio here to work. And just use aux audio again. RetroPie, there we go. Of course, as said, it's going to be pretty straightforward now because it's basically RetroPie on a touchscreen. I thought it's going to make a lot more trouble than that, so that's why I started this video. But I'm going to upload it anyways, so yeah. Because I haven't uploaded something in like 2 weeks now, I'm not sure. Audio, there we go, let's try this again. Headphone. Yeah, but I want to control the volume, not select what I want to. There we go, adjust output. Let's just put this to 100 here. Can I not? I can't hold the button, okay. Let's go to 100 and can I go back out again? Hello? I went back out again. You know what? RetroPie is really annoying sometimes. Let me just grab my keyboard here again. And feed the cables through here. Okay. By the way, I've tried all buttons on the gamepad, so yeah. Here we go. Enter. Escape. Escape. Okay. Why is there no escape on this thing here? I mean, like, I think select should be escape, but it didn't do anything. So let's try this again, but turn the volume down a little bit. Okay. Now we have sound even here. Or like the menu sound. There is no sound here right now, but on the RetroPie one there was. Okay, Super Nintendo. You know what? Let's try Nintendo 64 games here. Super Mario 64.
It's me, Mario.
Look great so far.
Hello.
The autofocus is of course freaking out here now. There we go. Yeah, it's Super Mario 64, so nothing weird there.
Hey Mario, please come to the castle. I have been to history. Yours truly.
Can I? Just to prove that it's still on the touch screen here. There's the Raspberry Pi back there. And of course the touchscreen is not working here on RetroPie. And everything's a little bit too light here because the camera is having a hard time focusing and adjusting every setting here. So yeah, it's running fine on the Raspberry 3. On the Raspberry 2 it was lagging a little bit, and the A button is actually... Yeah. The A button is actually the B button on this gamepad here. Like this button and not that. So let's go into the first level. I'm not going to finish the first level, I think, and because that's not going to be a playthrough, of course. And I failed. But it's just, I'm just going to try if the Raspberry 3 is good at handling N64 games. It started to lag a little bit here. playing from this angle is really weird. Yeah, everything's just working fine. One thing I wanted to try is a PlayStation game, but I have to set up everything again, so... And searching a BIOS and everything, and no, it's just... I don't have time for this today anymore, sorry. But PlayStation games actually worked great on the Raspberry 2, so it should work on the Raspberry 3. You know what, I'm just going to finish this here. My gamepad just freaked out for a moment. Oh. Why is Epsilon the actual B button? Oops. Yeah, it's really weird playing from this angle. And the gamepad is... It's a little bit weird because the gamepad is not responding as I wanted to. So, last time... Oh god. No, yes, thanks. Now the jump... What the fuck? Okay, the jump button is B again, I forgot that. Oh god, almost. Yeah, it's really weird playing from this angle, like I said. You're seeing it from a straight angle, and I'm seeing it like from here, like this. There we go, first star, and... So yeah, first star here, and my camera was actually running out of the 10-minute limit I mentioned earlier in this video. So... Save and continue. Let's go back to the menu. Market 64. No, let's. I'm not going to try this now. Super Nintendo. Let's just try Donkey Kong Country again. Yeah, the exposure on the camera is not really great. Or the setting right now, I mean. Okay, I'm completely off. So, start. One player. I hope I'm not getting a copyright notice because I'm playing music here from a game. Yeah, everything's working great so far. Yeah, of course the camera view is blurred like hell and everything, as I said. There's B. Yeah, just Donkey Kong, nothing else. And it's working really well. Of course, this is not going to be a let's play or anything, so yeah. I was actually hoping, or not hoping, but thinking that there would be like a little bit more trouble to get it running on the touchscreen here. Besides, it's still flipped over, so yeah. It's like 180 degrees flipped, so I'm not going to fix that. It's okay like this, and you can fix it, but I would need, you know what? I'm not sure what's the right setting here again, but I can switch, I think, to Can I switch? Yep, there we go. Sudo -I. There we go, root. And let me just, oh, I can't Google. Let me just Google on my phone here. Just to finish off the job here. Flip Raspberry Pi touchscreen. Because there's an option you have to put in the boot thing. LCD rotate. That goes into boot.config. So that's slash, oh god, the English keyboard layout is weird. There we go. No, not etc, that's in boot. And what's it again? Boot config.txt. And you just have to go somewhere down here. And I'll just display rotate is, where is the, there it is, 2 X and reboot. So it should be flipped now. So I can put it over like this, but yeah, it's flipped now. So it's as simple as that one text line. But it was actually good that it was flipped because, as you can see, the angle would be too narrow to actually film it, and I can't really change my camera setup here. So yeah, that's going to be it for today and this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And of course, the autofocus is going weird again. You know what? Let's just for a little end shot. Let's make an inception again. Like this. That looks actually trippy as hell. I'm going to disable autofocus for this. There we go. Yeah. And I kind of wave my hand here. Trippy as fuck, seriously. Anyways, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and sorry if it's a little bit boring because I had no better idea today. And yeah, so as we saw, the Raspberry touchscreen is also great for Emulation Station, or RetroPie in this case. There's no problem at all, and even the speaker is working, so yeah, I'm probably going to make a project out of this or something, because I did not expect for it to work this great, really. I thought there would be some troubles or other problems, and yeah, it's actually great, and I'm happy that it worked. So anyways, thanks for watching. Like if you liked the video, dislike if you didn't like it, of course. Subscribe if you want more stuff like this. And yeah, thanks for watching, and have a nice day.